हेलो एवरीवन। पहले हम लोग देंगे इंट्रोड्यूस। माय नेम इज प्रदुम गुप्ता। आई एम 20 years old. I am 12 pass. Hello everyone. My name is Pradum Kumar 2. I live in Banaras. I study in my completed. Let's start question and answer. Study BA second year. Let's start English. Do you do you speak English? One more. Do you speak English? I am understand English, but I cannot speak. I understand English. I cannot speak. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. Where are you from? I live in Banaras. Where are you from? From UP. Do you like Banaras pan? Do you like Banaras pan? Yes, I like बनारस पान या आई लव बनारस पान दोनों बोल सकते हैं। व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर? व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर? माय फेवरेट कलर आर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट। माय फेवरेट कलर आर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट। When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on January. My birthday on January. Do you have any sibling? Do you have any sibling? Sibling मतलब होता है भाई बहन। Yes, I have sibling. I have sibling. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? I have four siblings, two brothers and two sisters. Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want learn English? I want to learn English because I help my work. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I am swim. Yes, I am swim. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friends' name are Sunil and Rahul. My best friend are Sunil and Rahul. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I am wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. In the morning. What do you work? What do you work? I am not work. I am a student. I am not work. I am a student. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is dal khichdi. Dal khichdi. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? No, I don't have any pets. Pets मतलब होता है I don't have any pets. जानवर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।